Hi everyone, Namaste. I hope you're all having a lovely day and have prepped up all for the coming festival season. Of course, we still have a lot of stuff to bring to you for Diwali and for whenever you can wear it, because obviously traditional wear is something that you can wear throughout the year and you don't need any festivities to do so. So in our Riti Rivas collection, we got you something very special that we haven't worked on before, and that is Ajrak with Handloom Maheshwari. You've all been asking us for Maheshwari sets, and a lot of you have been asking us for bringing out more handloom items in our collections, and we thought this was the best idea to do so. I'll show you all the colors of it. You've got beautiful Ajrak blocks, some old, some new, in all the classic Ajrak colors that are there, and obviously the fabric for the entire set is Handloom Maheshwari. So you see, there's the classic indigos. They've been paired with different colors, I'll show you later. Then there's the beautiful bottle green that's there, again paired with all different colors of bottoms and dupattas. Then you've got the turmeric yellows, madder reds in all new different blocks that are there as well, and the classic blacks. They've all been paired with different kinds of bottoms and dupattas. I'll show up a couple of them and you'll get an idea of it. So this is the kurta fabric. You've got the zari border on each side. If you closely see the fabric, I think you'll be able to see the lining that is there. That's the Dobby Maheshwari fabric. It's all hand spun and hand woven Maheshwari. Then you've got bottom, that is also Maheshwari. You've got a beautiful dupatta to go with it. So the dupatta obviously has zari borders all across, and you've got these zari booties which are key to the handloom Maheshwari fabric. These booties are not yet made in the powerloom version of Maheshwari fabrics. So all of them will have similar booties on the daman as the top, and the middle of the dupatta will be the same as the bottom of the entire suit. So this is the blue and the black combination, a very different but a very unique combination. Then I'll show you one of my favorites, which is this green, the bottle green kind of fabric. You see the zari border is placed on both the sides, so you can use it for designing as and how you wish. You get pretty much 5 meters of zari border along with the beautiful geometric design of the bottom. And just look at this gorgeous dupatta. The zari comes out beautifully in all these ajrak shades, all natural dyes obviously. So this was the green and the red. Green is also available with the yellow combination and a black combination, black with the turmeric yellow kind of shade. Then you've got the yellows with the madder combination and yellows with the black combination. Our classic madders are available with blues. I want to show you this piece because it has a beautiful bottom fabric. So you've got this as the kurta, the classic geometrical ajrak. You've got this beautiful paisley design as the bottom fabric. It's a leafy paisley kind of bottom, and you've got the beautiful dupatta here. The same paisley is present in the middle of the dupatta, and can you see how beautifully the zari shines through on the indigo color? Like I said, these zari booties are key to the handloom Maheshwari fabrics. So this is the madder with the blue. Then you've got madder with black as well, the classic madder colors. And you've got madder with cream, polka dots. The last color we've got is black. You've got black with madder. Then you've got black with cream. Do you see how beautiful the lotus is? And the last is black with blue. One of our key combinations that we wanted to try out this time, with polka dots kind of print on the bottom. So all of the fabrics in these collections. They're all 2.5 meters, so the top, the bottom and the dupatta. So you can, if you don't want to use it as a set, you can obviously get 2 kurtas made out of it. You could get a kaftan made out of the dupatta fabric, but if you do choose to wear it as an entire set, it looks absolutely stunning. These are priced at about 6,500, so we really do hope you love them. These will be up on the website by tomorrow. Thank you.